Hi, my name is Mitchel and I'm a cybersecurity student here at the University of Advancing Technology.
And my name is Andrew Barkan. I'm a network security major, and I've been a part of the UAT Cyber Ninjas team since fall of 2024.
I've always been drawn to puzzles and problems that require creative thinking, which naturally led me to cybersecurity. It's a fast-moving field with real-world impacts, and learning it can feel overwhelming without the right tools or environment. That's why I started the UAT Cyber Ninjas, a club dedicated to helping students get hands-on experience and learn through team-based capture the flag competitions. Over time, that passion for making cybersecurity more approachable turned into something bigger, the idea for my student innovation project. I wanted to build a platform that would make it easier for UAT students to host, play, and learn from CTF challenges, made by students for students, in a way that's fun, affordable, and tailored to our program.
We are here today to introduce our student learning platform, UATF. So far you've heard us talking about CTF challenges and competitions, but what exactly is a CTF? We can direct to John Hammond for a brief explanation.
So a Capture the Flag is a game. It is a sport, it is a competition, but it's not a real world sport. You're kind of sitting at your keyboard and typing away and solving problems within cybersecurity. Like, hey, can I break into this website? And when they say capture the flag, they mean some sort of key or some sort of token that is the flag, that is the reward that you use as proof that you accomplished this task. Hey, I broke the cryptography. I hacked into this website. I found the secret sensitive information, and here is my token to prove that I have accomplished that. The more of those flags you capture, the more points you get, and there's a leaderboard. There's a scoreboard keeping track of, hey, who's doing what, who's winning, and you can benchmark your progress against everyone else playing. So you have a lot of fun with that because it has a little competitive edge, and you're learning. Like you're trying to learn new technology, or see new software stack, or things that you haven't been familiar with before. So that's the love and lore of Capture the Flag.
Now, CTFs are incredibly important to learning cybersecurity because they can teach so many separate skill sets, from website hacking to cryptography and steganography, reverse engineering, network traffic analysis, binary exploitation. The list goes on and on.
Learning cybersecurity can also be very difficult. Even picking one direction to go for specialization can be daunting. So taking a large web of skills and breaking them up into individual challenges to surmount one by one at your own pace is invaluable to students looking to get their foot in the door. CTFs allow you to explore bite-sized portions of complex topics, giving you a hands-on understanding of what each avenue has to offer. Whether it's web hacking, forensics, or reverse engineering, they make it easier to discover what you're truly passionate about in cybersecurity.
More importantly, they're not just limited to school environments. CTFs are designed to be fun and engaging, and that's often where people unlock their true potential. Not when they're being graded, but when they're playing, experimenting, and solving problems out of curiosity and excitement. Being able to interact with these challenges both inside and out is excellent for building practical skill sets that students can apply throughout their academic journey and carry with them into their professional careers. And that's where our program comes in.
Powered by the CTFD framework, UATF is our own CTF platform that students and teachers would use to interact with the various challenges that can be found there. It is equipped with several of the standards that CTF platforms feature today. All of the available challenges, a scoreboard that measures up users amongst each other, and an in-depth profile viewer that gives statistics on performance.
However, the main attraction for UATF is giving users the ability to create and upload their own challenges to the website to demonstrate their own knowledge of these challenges from within. Once a challenge has been made, a user will submit it to a portal, most likely hosted in the Discord server, where it will be reviewed and okayed for usage on the website. The challenge can be customized to the user's liking with aspects relating to name, description, type, and difficulty of the challenge, and what hints they want to provide.
What makes this platform different from what UAT currently uses is the subscription model. Currently, the school uses a per-student subscription model with TryHackMe, which can accumulate very quickly depending on how many cybersecurity students there are in class. The costs of UATF are significantly reduced and wouldn't be based on per-student subscriptions. The allowance for multiple parties to contribute challenges and content also adds to its value.
We hope that UATF can become greater than the sum of its parts and grow into something that students not only learn from, but teach others through. Thank you for your time.